is black. I plant more trees. They can take that bed. His thumb is hurt. She is in class 6. It is a dress. This is a cat. That is a bat. He bought some candles. This song is simple. It is a dress. The field is flat.
We are still waiting for the results from our judges. They are finalizing with preparation. Then you will hear one from them soon. Let us be calm as we're waiting for results from our judges. Please be calm, children. Be calm. I thank you very much for your tolerance. The exercise is almost at the end, and therefore be patient.
Then the results of handwriting are ready, have been brought to me, and therefore I will read the winners. And the winners, please. This is
Writing, listen to me carefully. Handwriting skills. Number 1, or the first one, is Noreen McCarry. Clap for that girl as time. Then the second one, we got Divine Sure. Divine Sure. The second, thank you very much. Good girl, stand here. Good. The third one, who is the last? This is Malachi Sanon. Malachi Sanon. This is Malone. I need a way down. Could the children give me a way there? Yes. Mr. Headmaster, Academic Master, to the high table and get your rewards. That was all about handwriting. So I still emphasize you guys to keep on writing.
Now let us listen to the outcomes of the reading. Number 1, they have tied. We have Brightness, who has got 139. Also we have Karen, who has got 139. So they are tied, the one have tied, having 139.